I work with metal, I like to transform it into something that's lightweight looking. And that's really one of the great characteristics about working with metal, is that it's such a strong material. You can make light and airy shapes that are strong and structural. Paying attention to the curves, the way that the metal's forming, it's kind of hard to explain what's actually going through my head when I'm creating something. It's almost indescribable. My name is Dan Crabtree, and I'm a blacksmith.